Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss grade 9. So chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. Now let us see what is linear equation in two variables. So the standard form of linear equation in two variables will be ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So let us take a example for this. So 7x minus 5y plus 10 is equals to 0. So here a will be 7, b will be minus 5, c will be 10. So he may be asking whatever that standard form is there, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So this is linear equation standard form in two variables. So if I take an example, 7x minus 5y plus 10 equals to 0, a will be 7, b will be minus 5 and c will be 10. Now let us see another question. Find the two different solutions. Find the two different solutions of 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. So this is the given linear equation in two variables. From this we need to find out two different solutions. So let us start doing. Answer: given linear equation So the given linear equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 7. So in this linear equation, so let me write this linear equation in standard form. It will be 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. So I need to find out two solutions. So if I will assume if x is equals to 0, if I substitute, then 2 into 0 minus 3y plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. So 3y equals to 7. So y will be 7 by 3. So I got one solution which is 0 comma 7 by 3. Next, if I take another solution, why? Because in the question is asking two different solutions. So if I assume x is equals to, okay, let me assume y is equals to 2, then 2x plus 3 into 2 minus 7 is equals to 0. So 2x plus 6 minus 7 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to minus plus 1, so x is equals to 1 by 2. So here the point is 1 by 2 comma 2. We need to represent first x coordinate, then after only y coordinate. So the two different solutions are 0 comma 7 by 3, 1 by 2 comma 2. Next, let us take another question. So the very important question is that drawing the graph. Draw the graph of five x minus 3y is equals to 9. So it's our wish whether we can take 2 also x values, 2 also y values. Minimum, in order to represent linear equation, we need at least 2 points. So answer, we can write it as word solution. So given linear equation, that is 5x minus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. So this is the given linear equation in two variables. Now let me take, if x is equals to 0, then 5 into 0 minus 3y equals to 9, minus 3y is equals to 9, y is equals to minus 3. Next, similarly, if x is equals to 1, if I take, then 5 into 1 minus 3y is equals to 9. So 5 minus 3y is equals to 9, minus 4 is equals to 3y, minus 4 by 3 is equals to y. So in order to plot the points in the graph sheet, minimum 2 points are required. So we got the 2 points. So let me take a table and write in that. So here is x, y values. So first we have taken x is 0, so we got y as minus 3. Second we have taken x is 1, we got y as minus 4 by 3. Okay, let us start representing this in the Cartesian plane or the graph sheet, what do we call generally. So let us take x axis and here it is y axis. Here is x axis, x dash, y dash, and the intersection part will be origin. So let us give the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me represent on all the sides. Now, but the first point is 0, comma minus 3. So here it is 0, comma minus 3, the first point. Second, 1 comma minus 4 by 3. So 1 comma minus 4 by 3 will be approximately. So approximately we can take 1.3. So here is the point 1 comma minus 4 by 3. So this is the graph. So scale, we have to represent the scale here. On x axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y axis, 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So here we need to write the line name. So this is the total graph. Next, let us take another question. Fourth question, check whether 3 comma minus 2 is a solution of 2x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0. Now let us see the word solution here. So given linear equation, so that is 2x minus 3y plus 10 equals to 0. So I need to substitute in place of x as 3, in place of y as minus 2. So it will be 2 into 3 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 10 is equals to 0. So 6 plus 6 plus 10 equals to 0. So 12, 22 which is not equals to 0. Therefore 3 comma minus 2 is not a solution. 3 comma minus 2 is not a solution of 2x minus 3y plus 10. Okay, next let us take another question. Fifth question, if we take represent y is equals to 2 on in one variable as well as two variables. So here we are going to represent this on the number line on the Cartesian plane on one variable as well as in the two variables. So answer given y is equals to 2, so this is in one variable. So we can take the number line first. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So here will be y equals to 2. So on the number line, when a normal number 2 is there, so that we can represent like this. So it is in one variable. So if he is asking us to represent in two variables, so x is not there, so we can add 0 into x plus y is equals to 2. So let me take the coordinate axis here. So the meeting point will be origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Now here the point is y equals to 2, so here is the point 2. So it may be 2 comma 1, it may be 2 comma 2, anything on this point. So these all will be the solutions. So this is nothing but y is equals to 2. So whenever y is equals to any number, it will be parallel to y equals to any number, y equals to 2. Sorry, here it is not y equals to 2. So here will be y equals to 2. So any number which is y equals to 2, it will be parallel to x-axis. So remember that any number which is parallel to x-axis, it will be y equals to a. So y equals to any number, it will be parallel to x-axis. Next, let us take another question. Represent x is equals to minus 3 on number line in one variable as well as two variables. Let us take. So if I take x is equals to minus 3 here, so on the number line as well as on the Cartesian plane. So x equals to minus 3, it is the number line here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So this is nothing but x is equals to minus 3. X is equals to minus 3. Now if I want to represent the same in two variables, as x is there, so it will be x plus 0 into y is equals to minus 3. So this I need to represent in two variables, so I need to draw the Cartesian plane. So x axis, y axis I have drawn. So represent here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first point is, so we have to x is equals to minus 3. So x equals to minus 3 is here. So any point on this line will be the solution of the given equation. So this is x is equals to minus 3. So here x is equals to any number. If we assume that any number, it should be parallel to y-axis. So x is equals to a, we can say that that line will be parallel to x-axis. Sorry, y-axis. So overall, we have to understand these few things. First one is general equation. Second, we have to know how to find the solutions. Third one, we have to know how to draw the graph. Fourth one, we have to know, check whether it is solution or not. Check the given point is solution or not. We have to know. It means that we need to substitute that point. The fifth point is that geometrically represent. Geometrically representing in one variable or two variable. Representation in one variable or two variable. So we have to be thorough about these 5 topics so that the chapter will complete. Thank you all.